the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. This is the second of many videos I hope to upload for your enjoyment and edification. This video provides a brief glimpse of the greenhouse and irrigation system here on the homestead. After doing some research, I decided to try my hand at constructing a high tunnel greenhouse using chain link fence supports and poles. And the following year, I decided to implement a greenhouse irrigation system. I created a diagram and list of everything I needed, from a water backflow adapter, pressure gauge, timer, to shutoff valves, drip hose, and PVC pipes. The greenhouse and irrigation system were by far the biggest projects I tackled here on the homestead, but it was well worth the time and effort. A big shout out to my brother and cousin for helping to drive the support poles in the ground, as well as bending the fence pole that supports the plastic of the greenhouse. I must also give a shout out to two men from my fellowship who assisted in digging a ditch using only hand tools from my house to the greenhouse, which is approximately 140 feet. This setup is by no means professional, but it works, and the drip irrigation system saves me over 2 hours a week of watering, allowing me to tackle other chores on the homestead. The greenhouse is going into its third winter and the drip irrigation system its second. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Please feel free to leave comments on what you see and what you would like to see in the future. I also look forward to suggestions and constructive criticism that will help me make improvements on the homestead, this channel, as well as those watching. If you would like a more detailed review of the greenhouse, drip irrigation system, livestock, or anything else, let me know. I'll even show you what I grow in the greenhouse during the winter and how I prep to prevent the drip irrigation system from freezing. There is no electricity running to the greenhouse, yet I am able to grow vegetables all year long.